In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an audio overview from a Word document in OneDrive with Microsoft 365 Copilot. If you've ever wished your document could speak for itself, this feature does exactly that. An audio overview turns your Word file into a quick listen, perfect for recaps, status updates, or sharing the gist with people on the go. Here's how to do it and how to get the best results. Start by opening your document in Word or from OneDrive. You can launch Word on the web or open the file directly from OneDrive. Either way works. Once your document is open, look for the Copilot icon. It usually appears in the toolbar, and when you select it, a panel opens where you can chat with Copilot about your document. In the prompt box, simply type, "Generate an audio overview." Copilot will analyze the content and prepare an audio version. You'll be asked to choose a style. Summary style focuses on the key points, delivering a concise, structured narration that gets straight to the essentials. Podcast style is more conversational, adding natural transitions and a friendlier tone that's great for storytelling, updates, or sharing context with a broader audience. Pick the one that suits your purpose and audience. After Copilot generates the audio, you'll see playback controls so you can preview it before saving. Use play and pause to listen, drag the scrubber to jump to different sections, and adjust playback speed if you want to review faster or slower. If something sounds off, you can return to the Copilot panel and refine your request using the same Generate an Audio Overview prompt, specifying the same style for consistency. When you're happy with the result, choose the option to save the audio to OneDrive. Saving to OneDrive keeps everything organized with the rest of your files, and it makes the audio easy to access later from any device. It also means you can manage permissions the same way you do with other OneDrive content, which simplifies sharing across your team or organization. A few quick tips for better audio overviews. Clear headings and a logical document structure help Copilot find the main ideas, so consider using headings and short paragraphs. If the audience prefers a tighter briefing, go with the summary style. If they need more context, the podcast style will feel more approachable. That's it. Open your document, click Copilot, prompt it to generate an audio overview, choose your style, preview with playback controls, and save to OneDrive for easy access and sharing.